Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to balance transfer and Citibank app. So, of course, what you'll need to do if you don't have it downloaded, you will need to go and download the Citibank app. You will find it in your Play Store if you're using Android or iOS. If you're using iOS, you'll find it at the App Store. So you'll need to go and download it first if you don't have it downloaded, and make sure to go and then and log in into your account if you're not logged in yet. So basically, how to transfer or how to balance transfer and Citibank. All you need to do, of course, is simply go to payments and transfers. You'll find this at the top of the page if you're using a website. If you're using an application, simply you'll have to go again to the transfers tab. You'll find this right there. Click on balance transfer. You'll find this both in the website and the phone. Click on view available balance transfer option, and this might also show up as a start a balance transfer. Then you can select the balance transfer offer you want to pursue and enter the required details. Of course, this includes the account number for the credit card that you want to transfer a balance from and the balance transfer amount. It's worth noting that even if you are beyond that 4-month time frame, or have had a Citi account for years, you may still receive balance transfer offers in your Citi account from time to time. Additionally, you can also contact Citi's customer-like service and initiate a balance transfer over the phone. All you have to do is simply call the number on the back of your card with your account informations ready. So that's how you basically do it. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.